In this session, we are going to learn a very interesting story. So, guys, keep watching. Firstly, we have to read the story carefully. The White Boar and the Fox. One day, a wild boar was sharpening his tusk against the bark of the tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the trees, looking left and right, up and down. He also began to act as if he was really scared. But the boar did not pay any attention to him. He kept right on with his work. At last, the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but I did not see any hidden enemy or danger." "True," replied the boar. "Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusks. My weapon have to be ready for use then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." This story tells us that it is best to be prepared. Don't leave anything to be done at the last minute.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट